All right, guys, so this trade was very quick. All right, we just entered. We've already taken out the first target anyways. This is the second target that we are going for right now. Myself and my VIP members, we've already achieved the first target. All right, we've achieved the first target already, and we are going for the next right now. And I just want to show you guys how simple this is to do. All right, it's very easy to have a good trading opportunity or a good trading entry if you follow the 5 principles that I always talk about in most of my price action videos. All right, it is very easy, guys. Anybody can do this, anybody at all, even if you are just a beginner, as long as you have been watching my videos and you are conversant with the 5 price action principles that I usually preach every time, you'll be able to have a good entry on this VIX 75. Okay, this is actually an approach that you can use for every trading asset, every what is it called, every financial market. Okay, but I'm using VIX 75 right now because that's what we are trading right now, myself and my VIP members. If you are not on my free group, by the way, make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link would be on the description of this video. All right, and my WhatsApp number will also be there in case you want to take advantage of the premium group and you want to make a lot of money with the rest of the members. Okay, so like I said, this is a very quick one. We just placed the entry here, and you can see our SL was just very tight, very close, just in case it doesn't go the way we expect it to go. The market would not always go how you want it to go, but then again, if you have the formula, guys, you'd be able to take at least 8 out of 10 trades. All right, be able to win at least 8 out of 10 trades. And I'm going to be talking about these principles right here on this video, so stay glued. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can get value, and also do me well to share the video to other people so that they can also take advantage of the free knowledge that we dish out every day on this channel. All right, subscribe to my channel also if you haven't done that yet. This is important. Subscribe so that you can get the content that we put out firsthand. You can get this information firsthand, especially if you turn on your notification button. All right, so let's go deep into it. It's very easy. It is easy because I have been doing it and I know how easy it is. I know it was difficult for me when I started. All right, but if you can understand the basic things, and of course if you can have a clear understanding of how the candlesticks work, how the patterns, the movement of the market and everything, it will be very easy for you to have good trading opportunities. So I'm going to make it easy for you on this video if you watch it to the end. All right, let's go. So the first thing you want to do is always go to a higher time frame to see the direction of the markets. That's very important. Always go to the higher time frame. I'm a day trader because I give out VIP signals. All right, so I trade almost every day, but when I am swinging, all right, I swing for myself. All right, I swing for myself most times, and then give trades every day to the VIP members. So I usually start my analysis from either the daily time frame or the 4 hours time frame. Okay, these 2 time frames are very significant as far as price action is concerned, as far as you want to be trading the market using your naked eyes without the without applying indicators and all of that. Indicators, anyway, you can use that for confirmations after you've been able to see the direction by yourself with your clear eye, with your naked eye. You don't need to use indicators for that. All right, so the first thing you want to do is see the way the market is going. Try to identify a trend. You can use your trend lines. All right, you can use your trend line to achieve that. So clearly you can see that the market is pulling downwards from the 4 hours time frame at the current level. All right, I'm sure this is also reversing around the high where it is supposed to reverse from. All right, it is very clear that area is a key zone. All right, it's a key resistance zone. You can see that whenever price gets to that area, it usually pulls back down. All right, if we check back in time, you will notice that whenever price gets to that level, it usually falls. So the first thing you want to do is identify the direction. Make sure you see a clear direction. Using the trend lines, you can use that to identify a clear trend. Even if you not placed the trend lines well, just use the trend lines to be able to identify the trend. Once you're able to identify the trend, I'm showing you guys areas, that same area where price reacts and reverses from. So you can see how many of them. We've counted like 4 or 5 of them already. All right, so on the 4 hours or daily time frame, you need to be able to see the direction of the market. So here it is obvious that the market is going downwards. It is obvious that the market is going downwards. All right, it is currently going downwards, although the trend seems to be to the upside. But currently, you need to always follow the current trend using past price reaction, to be able to tell what is going to happen when you've spotted a clear trend. So here you can see that clearly it is printing the lows here. It's printing more of lower lows here. All right, so with this, I have in mind that sellers are having more pressure in the market, and they just might pull price down to the previous low, all right, which is around here. All right, sellers just might pull price around this level, all right, before it keeps going back up again. All right, so having this in mind, you want to now look at the candlesticks from each of these time frames. You don't skip anyone. You want to look at the 4 hours time frame. You can see that there was more of the bearish pressure in the market. Yeah. All right, you can see that there is more of the bearish market. By that I mean you see more red candlesticks. You see more of the bearish candlesticks than the bullish candlestick, and you can see how strong they are, right? So this points out that the 4 hours time frame is signaling a sell on this trade. So you want to allow the candlestick that is running on it, or the immediate the next time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. After you're done with the 4 hours, you need to go to the 1 hour. You don't skip any time frame. You go down like that till you get to the end, right? So on the other time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there's also a bearish. The market closed bearish at this level. All right, the market closed bearish at this level, right? So that was also another signal on the 1 hour time frame that the market is going to be going downwards. And if you keep going, you see that even on the lower time frame, the 30 minutes time frame, market still closed bearish. The previous 2 candlesticks closed bearish. All right, so you go down again, you keep tracing it like that till you get to the time frame where you want to be entering from. Like in the 15 minutes time frame, I usually take my trades from 15 minutes or even the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so having seen that price had been bearish on all of these time frames for a very long period of time, yeah, I just needed to see a retest of this area. That area that I highlighted in the 4 hours time frame, the area that I showed you guys on the 4 hours time frame to be the key resistance area. I just want to see that on the lower time frame that price has gone back to retest that area, and it is coming back down from that area. Okay, so if I had seen this trade around here, I would have probably taken my entry here after the closing of this candlestick. I would have probably just entered around here. But after this retest, it was a clear confirmation. All the time frames from top to the least time frame are signaling a sell. There's more of the bearish pressure in the market, and price had gotten to the key resistance level. All right, the overall trend was also pointing to the downside. All right, so having seen this, you can now apply your indicators to verify the if the market is going in that direction. All right, the indicators will always show you what you've already seen in the market with your naked eyes. That is why it is important to have a fair knowledge of price action, guys. All right, so if you've done all of this, all right, the next thing you want to do is wait on the time frame that you want to be trading from. Okay, once you're on that time frame, you need to wait to see that the candlestick that is running on that time frame has closed in your direction. Okay, so this is the 5th thing you need to do, and the last thing you need to do. Once you see that, you are already on the good side. So you just take your entry and make your money, guys. All right, so hit me up if you still need clarity on this. My WhatsApp number will be on the description of this video. All right, hit me up, and you could also be a part of my mentorship program, which is ongoing. The next batch is starting very soon. All right, just hit me up, guys. My WhatsApp number will be on the description of this video. Also, do well to join our free Telegram group. All right, it will benefit you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.